Striker, what are you feeding her?
I forgot.
Squash.
Squash.
And
Plums. Say, oh. She can't fit that in her mouth.
Is it yummy? Open up for Striker.
Say, ah, again.
Let's clean up her mouth. You have a drippy mouth, little girl.
Because she doesn't have a mouth as big as that spoon. She doesn't have a mouth.
Okay, here you go. Ooh, there you go. That was a good bite.
Now we're doing it this tiny.
What, Striker?
Now we're doing it this tiny.
Well, let her eat it up first. Is it yummy?
Sit now. Do I get to bite?
Yep.
Now. She's keep on spitting it out.